Imagine Jesus saying this, saying to you, don't worry about tomorrow. You're like, okay, great. Tell me why I shouldn't worry about tomorrow. Because tomorrow's got its own trouble. You're like, that's the whole reason I'm worried. That's why I'm anxious. What Jesus is saying is, I'm going to be there tomorrow. And today, the way Dr. Tony Evans says this, I'll never forget him saying this. Today is the tomorrow you were worried about yesterday. And everything's okay, because I'm here. So tomorrow's going to have its own trouble. That's for sure. But tomorrow's also going to have its own grace. And I'm going to be there, and I'm going to be sufficient for you. There's no reason for you to be anxious. Martha, you're worried and you're anxious about so many things. But the Prince of Peace, am right here.